Programming the TIS DMX controller. First, you need to assign addresses to your DMX devices. Make sure to check the manual for each device. Most DMX units use either dip switches or an LCD screen with a setting button to set the address. For example, the TIS DMX RGBW driver has an LCD screen, and you can set the address using the setting button. If the address of the RGBW driver is 001, that means red is channel 1, green is channel 2, blue is channel 3, and white is channel 4. For the next DMX device, the address should start from 005, and so on. Always check the device manual to know how many channels each device uses. Here are some examples from the TIS HPD Laser and Diamond Party Lights manuals. After assigning all addresses, go to the TIS software, select the DMX device from the list, and double-click it to open the settings window. In General Settings, add comments for identification. Under Intensity, choose whether to display values 0 to 255 or 0 to 100% as default. Then go to the Channel tab, write comments for each channel and assign the channels to rooms if you need to control them individually. Make sure to match each channel name with the channel listed in the manual according to the sorted address. For example, the HPD Laser has 6 channels and the TIS Diamond has 9 channels. You must enter all channel comments accordingly. If you want to control a DMX device with channel numbers between 49 to 512, press Patch. Change the channel number to the DMX address you want. For example, if you change TIS Channel 1 to DMX Channel 49, then controlling TIS Channel 1 will control DMX Channel 49. To configure a keypad to control a DMX channel, select the keypad you want to configure, then double-click on it. Go to Key Setting, press Command, and in Easy Configuration select the type as Single Channel Light. Choose the room and channel, enter the intensity and the running time, then press Config. At the bottom section, you will see the command with the module address and channel number. Press Save. To choose color in RGB from Lunar or Titania TFT keypads, select the Lunar keypad and double-click to open it. Go to the RGB tab. Choose lamp number 1 or 2, as the Lunar keypad has 2 RGB pages available. Enable it and add a comment. Select TIS RGB option. Enter the DMX module subnet and device ID. Then enter the channel numbers for red, green, blue, and white. To test, go to the Lunar RGB page, select a color, and press on.